Think echidnas are soft, cuddly moms? Yeah, about that. No, echidnas invented hands-off parenting. At first, echidna moms are super involved. But then the baby starts growing spikes. And mom's like, yeah, you're on your own now. She literally puts the baby in a burrow and just leaves. She only comes back every few days to feed it. So the baby basically grows up in isolation, becoming a tiny armored tank. Congrats, you survived. That was the test. So if you know someone who says I raised myself, yeah, they're basically an echidna. Hit subscribe.